Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change display size on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, go to display. In display, tap the advanced. And advanced, okay, you can see the display size. And okay guys, to change the display size, you'll have to do is tap this. And now here, okay, the display size is set into default. You can change it by sliding to the left to change into small size. Okay, or you can adjust to the right to set into large size. Okay, so I decided to change into large. So that's it. We have successfully changed the display size on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.